Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is revolutionizing the way we think about money and financial services. Imagine a world where you can lend, borrow, and earn interest without needing a bank or a middleman. That's the essence of DeFi. It operates on blockchain technology, which means everything is transparent, secure, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Now, let's dive into 3 practical ways you can make money using DeFi in 2025. First up is staking. This is like putting your money in a savings account, but way cooler. When you stake your cryptocurrency, you're helping to secure the network, and in return, you earn rewards. Platforms like Lido make this process super easy. You can stake Ethereum and earn a percentage back on your investment. It's a low-effort way to grow your assets while supporting the blockchain. Next, we have lending. This is where you can put your crypto to work by lending it out to others. Aave is a fantastic platform for this. You deposit your crypto, and it gets loaned out to borrowers. In return, you earn interest on your deposit. The best part? You can withdraw your funds anytime. Just remember to do your research on the risks involved, as the crypto market can be volatile. Finally, let's talk about liquidity pools. This is where you provide your crypto to a pool that others can trade from. Uniswap is a leading platform for this. When you add your assets to a liquidity pool, you earn a share of the trading fees generated by the trades happening in that pool. It's a great way to earn passive income, but it's essential to understand impermanent loss, which can affect your returns. In summary, DeFi offers exciting opportunities to earn money through staking, lending, and liquidity pools. Just remember to approach it with caution and do your homework. With the right strategies, you can make your crypto work for you. And don't forget about the 250 giveaway. Keep that in mind as you explore these DeFi options.